Hi guys, my name is Eesha. Today I'm going to show you how to do affordable makeup for school and college. I have already applied my moisturizer and sunscreen. Here I'm using Lakme 9 to 5 primer plus matte powder foundation compact in the shade Honeydew. Take any color or lipstick you like, preferably in red, pink, or peach. Apply it on your cheeks and then blend it with your fingers. It's optional, but if you feel like you can fill in your brows with any brown eyeshadow. Now it's time for mascara. Here I'm using Maybelline's Volume Express. I'm sure still in school lipsticks are not allowed, so here I'm using Nivea lip balm. Now let's start with the college makeup. Start with filling in the brows. I am using brown eye pencil. Make a wing liner by using Maybelline Colossal Liner. Now make your cheeks blush. I am using Ben Nye Blush Palette. It will give you a more youthful look. Highlight the high points of your cheeks and then blend it with your fingers. Lipstick, it's your preference. You can go nude or you can pop some color. I am using Miss Claire in the shade Peach.